How are we all? It's your main man, Jeremy, the bearded fisherman. Now, this is just a little bit of an update to go with a video that I filmed and edited probably about 3-4 months ago, and I wasn't going to post, but lockdown sucks. I had a fishing trip planned last weekend, then I had one planned for the middle of the week. I've got one planned for this, well, I had it planned for this Saturday, still in lockdown. So hopefully it gets lifted, and as soon as if it gets lifted 4 p.m. Sunday, I'm gone. I'll have the car ready, packed, and I'll be in it, and I'll be off, going. I went on a couple of little fishing trips before lockdown happened, and yeah, it was new spots, hadn't been there before, never going back. Lost way too much tackle. But anyway, I just thought I'd, give you a little bit of an update of what's happening. Haven't been able to fish at all. And this is a video that, as I said, I filmed and edited, about 3-4 months ago. And I'm like, nah, it's only setting up the trailer for when I'm fishing. Who really cares about that? But I have, as you know, I've been uploading videos every Saturday morning. This one's a little bit late. And it was, of doing the fishing wall and the fishing storage upgrade. I'm starting to run out of footage. It's been so much of a struggle this year, like lockdowns. I've had my brother and his family here, and now we're back into another lockdown. Are we going to come out of this lockdown? Who knows? Screw you, coronavirus. It's all I can say. I'm over it, sick of it. It's interfering with what I want to do, and I want to go fishing. It's all I want to do. So, hope you enjoy the video. Remember, if you can, subscribe, like the video, share it, whatever you can do would mean the world to me. So yes, have a good day.